the mailbox. Let's do the mailbox this time, like I said in the last episode. And just gonna get myself to safety. Am I supposed to turn off the tap again?
Yeah, later.
I'm going to do like a sky view so I won't get splashed that much.
Okay.
Good, was it?
Yep. Oh, fudge. Okay, this time he's my left hand to carry.
You go ahead. Let's go to the back door. Let's go to the back door.
Wow.
Let's splash like some at the back or like after this. We're aiming for up there. What? No. We're aiming for up there. That's where we're going. Okay, let's go. Sorry if you guys can hear the wind. Here we are. We're splashing the mailbox. And there appears to be a crap load of mail in here. There's a crap load of mail in here. Yeah. It's even parcels.
What are we gonna do?
Splash the bin.
On the car. It's gonna drop into it. Yeah. Cool down the bin.
Should we call down like the red bin? Because that's like the dark color. So when it like heat up more. What happens if you drop your balloon?
You'll be the one getting it.
Okay then, so what should we do next?
Electric pole.
Electric pole. That might not be very electronic. Okay. Well, I guess I'll be at the end of this episode. We kind of failed. We should have like a look before we actually did it. We're supposed to do the mailbox, we actually did the bin. That's like not the right way to do it. Let's actually splash at the back bamboo garden. Those over there. Okay. There was no one in here the whole time. All that time the door was closed.